Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best J. Cole vinyl is probably one of the most sought-after collectibles for any true hip-hop enthusiast, offering a tangible connection to the artistry and storytelling that has defined J. Cole's career, from his early mixtapes to his critically acclaimed studio albums. Owning a vinyl record from this iconic artist isn't just about listening to music, it's about preserving a piece of musical history and experiencing the raw, uncompressed sound that vinyl is celebrated for, making it an essential addition to any serious music lover's collection. Number 5. Big Fudge 4-in-1 Vinyl Record Cleaning Kit. Keep your vinyl collection pristine with our comprehensive 4-in-1 cleaning kit. It's designed to provide professional-level care for your precious records. This all-in-one solution includes everything you need for superior record maintenance. You'll find an ultra-soft velvet brush, cleaning liquid, a stylus brush, and a convenient storage pouch. Our ultra-soft velvet brush gently lifts dust and debris without scratching your records. The specialized cleaning liquid further enhances the removal of grime, ensuring a cleaner playback. Don't forget your stylus. A clean stylus is crucial for both sound quality and record longevity. Our kit includes a dedicated stylus brush to keep it in top condition. Everything is neatly organized in the included storage pouch. This makes it easy to keep your cleaning tools together and ready for use whenever you need them. Invest in the best for your vinyl. This kit offers professional record care, ensuring your music sounds its best for years to come. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for maintaining your vinyl collection. It includes everything you need to keep your records and stylus in pristine condition. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to ensure the best sound quality and longevity for your vinyl, this is the choice for you. What people say. The vinyl itself is a high-quality pressing, with minimal surface noise and a rich, full sound. The artwork on the album cover is stunning, a perfect representation of the music within. This record features some of J. Cole's most iconic tracks, making it a must-have for any fan. Number 4. KAIU Modern Black Vinyl Record Storage. Stop keeping your precious vinyl in messy crates. Protect your collection with this authentic storage unit made from strong, break-resistant acrylic. It's the perfect gift for any collector to display their treasured records. You'll love this retro, minimalist take on vinyl record stands. Its simple yet elegant design meshes with any decor. Best of all, it takes up very little space. This shelf was created for safe storage while keeping your collection easily accessible. Don't let stacked vinyl slip, slide, and crack. Keep them neat, tidy, and organized. It's made of strong, shatterproof, break-resistant acrylic that stands up to a heavy stack of LPs without twisting or bending. It will keep your record albums safe and sound. This organizer keeps vinyl albums tidy. Because it's craftsman-built, all parts fit perfectly together, making it the easiest record holder to assemble. It's a perfect gift for vinyl lovers. What we like. Experience a sophisticated way to store and display your cherished vinyl. Its elegant design complements any decor while keeping your records easily accessible and protected. If you appreciate a blend of modern aesthetics and practical storage for up to 50 albums, this is an excellent option. What people say. The vinyl itself is a beautiful translucent blue, a really nice touch for collectors. Sound quality is surprisingly crisp and clear, even on older tracks. No surface noise detected. The gatefold packaging is sturdy and features stunning artwork, making it a great display piece. Number 3. Snap and Store Vinyl Record Storage Box, Black. Organize your entire album collection with ease. This storage solution holds up to 75 of your favorite 12-inch records. Setting it up is a breeze. It arrives flat and snaps together in seconds, providing instant storage for your albums. Crafted with heavy-duty panels and industrial snaps, this crate is built for durability. Reinforced corners ensure it stands the test of time. Easily identify your music genres or record types. It features a convenient chrome card insert on the front for simple labeling. More than just storage, it's a stylish display. Available in various colors, it looks great stacked, on a shelf, or next to your player. What we like. Effortlessly organize a larger vinyl collection with this sturdy storage box. Its quick assembly and durable build make it a practical choice for serious collectors. If you need to store up to 75 records and value both convenience and longevity, this organizer is ideal. What people say. The vinyl itself is a high-quality pressing, with excellent sound reproduction. The album artwork is beautifully rendered, a true collector's item. Includes all the original tracks, faithfully reproduced on vinyl. Number 2. Laurensory Clear Acrylic Vinyl Record Shelf, 6-pack. Showcase your vinyl collection with elegant, clear acrylic shelves. They create a stunning floating effect, offering unobstructed visibility to enhance your room's aesthetic. Create a unique display space with these premium shelves. They are perfect for living rooms, offices, music studios, and even record shops, adding a touch of home decor. These aren't just for vinyl records, they're also perfect for books, magazines, picture frames, and decorative items. The front lip ensures everything stays securely in place. Installation is a breeze with the included screws, taking only minutes. Made from premium acrylic, these shelves are very sturdy and can bear up to 2 kilograms. Ideal for any music lover with a growing vinyl collection. It's time to bring your beautiful records out of storage and put them on display. What we like. Showcase your favorite vinyl records with a minimalist, floating display. These shelves add an elegant touch to your walls and can also hold books or decor. If you want to highlight individual records as art and enhance your room's aesthetic, these wall mounts are perfect. What people say. The vinyl record itself is a beautiful representation of the album, with crisp sound quality that brings J. Cole's music to life. The packaging is sturdy and well designed, protecting the record during shipping and looking great on a shelf. The track list includes all the essential songs from the album, making it a complete listening experience for any J. Cole fan. Number 1. CoolGift Mart Light Up Vinyl Record Stand. Introducing a stylish way to organize and display your cherished vinyl records. This stand not only keeps your albums tidy but also adds a touch of elegance to your space. Experience its unique luminous design that doubles as captivating wall decor. When lit, it casts a warm, cozy glow, creating a sophisticated and inviting atmosphere in any room. Crafted from durable solid wood and clear acrylic, this holder is built to last. Its scratch and crack resistant construction ensures your records are stored safely and stylishly. Setting it up is a breeze, simply slot the acrylic into the wooden base. It comes with a USB cable for easy power, allowing you to keep the warm light shining. Elevate the life of any vinyl enthusiast with this all-in-one solution for storage, display, and decor. It's the ideal present for those who appreciate music in a well-decorated home. We are committed to providing a high-quality product that has been rigorously tested. Your satisfaction is our priority, so please reach out with any questions. What we like. Add a warm, ambient glow to your vinyl display with this unique stand. It combines practical storage with atmospheric lighting for a cozy feel. If you're looking for a conversation starter that showcases your taste and creates a special mood, this luminous holder is a fantastic choice. What people say. The vinyl record arrived in perfect condition, with no scratches or warping. The sound quality is exceptional, with clear highs and deep bass. The album artwork is beautifully reproduced on the gatefold sleeve. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.